Hello, I'm in a 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan, and today I'm going to show you to open your hood. So from the driver's side here, we'll go down and you should see a hood release here that will pull. There's a slight pop sound of the safety releasing. And there should be a cable connected here. If there's not, or it's really loose, that's something you might need to address. And up front you should see the hood slightly loose now. And most vehicle models, towards the middle, there's a lever that you push. This one's right here. So I'm going to push and lift. Let's see if I can do this with one hand, but there's this little arm you can put up too to help hold up. So that little arm's holding it up. And then this is the where it was hooked onto here. And this is what that hook looked like too, that I was pushing to open it. So make sure nothing's bent out of place. There's no debris stuck in here that needs cleaned out. Sometimes you might need to spray some WD-40 to loosen it up. And then double check that your head's in proper alignment. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a good day.